have another confusing one. What is the difference between bring and take? I never know which one to use, and I always guess.
Oh, this one is so interesting. And once you understand the simple secret behind these two words, you will never guess again, I promise.
Really? There is a secret? Tell me.
Yes, the secret is all about direction and location. Both words are about moving something, but the direction is completely opposite.
Oh, so it is about where something is going?
Exactly. So let's start with bring. You use bring when something or someone moves toward you or toward the place you were talking about. The movement comes to you.
So bring is movement coming closer toward the speaker.
Perfect. For example, imagine you are at home and you call your friend. You say, "Can you bring some snacks when you come?" The snacks are moving toward you, toward your home, so you use bring.
Oh, because the snacks are coming to where I am.
Exactly. Another example, your boss says, "Please bring your report to the meeting." The report needs to come to the meeting where the boss will be, so it is bring.
I see. So whenever something moves toward the speaker or toward where we are, it is bring.
Right. Now, take is the opposite. You use take when something or someone moves away from you or away from where you currently are. The movement goes away from you.
So take is movement going away in the other direction.
Exactly. For example, you are leaving your house and your mom says, "Take an umbrella with you." The umbrella is moving away from home, away from where she is, so she uses take.
Oh, because the umbrella is going away from where she is standing.
Perfect. Another example, can you take these books to the library? You are moving the books away from here to another place, so it is take.
So the simple rule is coming toward you is bring and going away from you is take.
Brilliant. That is exactly it. Think of it like this. Bring equals come here. Take equals go there.
Oh, I love that. Bring equals come here, take equals go there. So simple.
Let me give you more everyday examples. Your friend invites you to a party and asks, "Can you bring a dessert?" Because the dessert needs to come to the party where your friend will be.
And if I'm leaving the party, I would say, I will take some leftovers home because the food is going away from the party.
Yes, perfect. You are thinking exactly like a native speaker now.
Okay, let me try some more. If my teacher says, remember to bring your homework tomorrow, that is correct because the homework needs to come to the classroom where the teacher is.
Spot on. The teacher is at school. The homework needs to come to school, so bring is perfect.
And if my mom says, take your homework to school, that is also correct because from home, the homework is going away to school.
Wow, excellent. You just showed that the same situation can use both words depending on who is speaking and where they are standing.
Oh, that is so interesting. So the word changes depending on the speaker's position.
Exactly right. The key question is always, is the movement coming toward the speaker or going away from the speaker? That decides everything.
What about bring me that pen, please? Is that correct?
Perfect, because you want the pen to come to you, toward where you are. So bring is exactly right.
And take this pen to Sarah, meaning give it to someone else away from here.
Brilliant. Moving it away to another person, so take is correct.
Okay, what about restaurants? I always hear takeaway or takeout. Why is it take and not bring?
Oh, great observation. Take away or take out means you are taking the food away from the restaurant, away from where it was made to eat somewhere else. So take makes perfect sense.
Oh, yes, the food is going away from the restaurant, not coming toward it. So clever.
And when a waiter brings food to your table at a restaurant, they bring it to you because it is coming toward you.
So the waiter brings your food, but you take the leftovers home in a box.
Exactly. You are a natural at this.
What about bring and take with people, like I will bring my friend to the party?
Great question. Yes, both words work with people too. I will bring my friend to the party. Your friend is coming to the party where others will be, so bring is correct.
And I will take my little sister to school because we are going away from home to school.
Perfect. You have completely mastered this. Let me give you one final tricky example. Someone calls you and says, "Are you coming to my house tonight?" You say, "Yes, I will bring some pizza."
Because the pizza is coming to their house where they are, so even though I'm not there yet, I use bring.
Incredible. That is the most advanced understanding. You use bring even when you are not there yet because you are talking about movement toward the other person's location.
Wow, English is so logical once you understand the rules.
It really is. So, final summary: bring is movement coming toward the speaker or toward the place being talked about. Take is movement going away from the speaker or away from the current location.
Bring equals come here. Take equals go there. I will never forget that.
And one fun memory trick: bring starts with be, like be here. Take starts with t, like to there.
Oh, that is such a clever trick. Bring, be here. Take, to there. I love it.
Now you will always remember which direction to use.
Can I bring this lesson home with me?
You mean, can you take this lesson home?
Oh, because I'm taking it away from here, so it is take. I already used it correctly.
See, you are already thinking like a native speaker.
Everyone remember, bring equals come here, take equals go there. Now go bring this knowledge to all your friends.
Or take it wherever you go because you will need it every single day.